In this video, I'll show you how to screen record with Snipping Tool. First, open the Start menu and search for the Snipping Tool. Click on it to open the app. Once the Snipping Tool opens, switch to the Video option, which is the new feature for screen recording. Next, click New. Your screen will dim, and you can click and drag to select the area of the screen you want to record. For example, you can select a window such as Microsoft OneNote. At the top of the screen, you'll see a microphone icon. Click on it and make sure Mute is turned off if you want to record audio along with your screen. After everything is ready, click the Start button to begin recording. Now, anything you do on the selected screen area, when you finish, click the Stop button at the top. The recording will open in a preview window where you can play the video and review it. And that's it. That's how you can easily record your screen and audio using the new Snipping tool in Windows 11.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.